In Berks County, the demand for skilled healthcare professionals has never been greater. At Reading Area Community College, we're answering that call. With a nearly $20 million investment, Weitz Hall has transformed into the Weitz Healthcare Pavilion, a cutting-edge facility designed to prepare the next generation of healthcare heroes. This is more than a renovation. It's a bold reimagining. 55,000 square feet across 4 floors, all completely rebuilt to meet the future of healthcare training. On the first and second floors, state-of-the-art simulation labs and patient rooms replicate the look, sound, and pace of real hospitals. The third and fourth floors house redesigned classrooms, along with phlebotomy and dental assistant labs. From hands-on procedures to collaborative learning, every space has been engineered for innovation. Beyond labs and classrooms, the pavilion offers welcoming new spaces for connection, student lounges, open study areas, and a vibrant hub for healthcare learners. And for the first time in RACC's history, all 14 healthcare programs have come together under one roof. With more space, more technology, and more opportunities, RACC is building the healthcare workforce our community needs today and for years to come.